How to prioritize and pay off your debts. Welcome back to How to Be Debt Free. In today's video, we'll be discussing a crucial aspect of personal finance, prioritizing and paying off your debts. Debt can be a significant burden, but with the right strategies, you can overcome it and achieve financial freedom. So let's get started. Step 1. Assess your debt. The first step in prioritizing and paying off your debts is to assess your current financial situation. Make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and any other outstanding balances. Note down the interest rates, minimum payments, and total amounts owed for each debt. Step 2. Determine your financial goals. Next, define your financial goals. What do you want to achieve by paying off your debts? Are you looking to become debt-free entirely, or do you want to focus on specific high-interest debts? Having clear goals will help keep you motivated through the process. Step 3. Analyze your debts and prioritize. Now that you have an overview of your debts and your financial goals, it's time to prioritize. There are two popular strategies, the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your debts from smallest to largest balance, regardless of the interest rates. This method provides a psychological boost as you quickly eliminate smaller debts, creating momentum to tackle larger ones. The avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. By tackling high interest debts, you minimize the amounts of interest paid over time, saving money in the long run. Choose the method that aligns best with your personality and financial situation. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and committed to your chosen approach. Step 4. Increase your debt repayment efforts. To speed up your debt repayment, it's crucial to increase your debt repayment efforts. Look for ways to cut expenses and increase your income. Consider reducing discretionary spending, negotiating bills, or even taking on side hustles. Every extra dollar you can put towards debt will make a significant impact. Step 5. Utilize debt repayment strategies. Explore different debt repayment strategies to accelerate your progress. Two popular methods are the debt snowball and the debt avalanche approaches. With the debt snowball method, it focuses on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on other debts. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll the payment into the next smallest payment. This snowball effect builds momentum and motivation as you see debts disappearing one by one. The debt avalanche method, as we mentioned earlier, prioritizes paying off high interest debts first. Start by making extra payments towards the debt with the highest interest rate while maintaining minimum payments on other debts. Once the debt is paid off, redirect the payment to the debt with the next highest interest rate. This method saves you the most money on your interest in the long run. Step 6. Stay focused and motivated. Paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to stay focused and motivated through the process. Track your progress, celebrate milestones, and seek support from friends, family, or online communities. Remember, the sacrifices you make today will lead to a brighter financial future. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to prioritize and pay off your debts. It won't be easy, but with determination and discipline, you can achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching today's video on how to prioritize and pay off your debts. We hope you found these strategies helpful in your debt repayment journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips, and share it with others who may benefit from it. As always, stay tuned for our next video.